Hello guys, ayan guys, bulaklak ng alokon yan guys. Ayan, isasawag natin itong guys, kamuting kahoy. Ayan, magkakamuting kahoy tayo mga guys. Tawag dito buridibud yung sinasabi yan guys. Ito bulaklak ng alokon. Ayan, malinis na guys. Ayan, pwede nang isawag yan guys, ugasan na lang. Ayan guys, isawag natin to guys, at saka daon ng malunggay. Yun na lang sasawag natin guys. Ayan, ayan guys, magdininding tayo guys. Ay buridibud. Ayan, kamuting kahoy yan guys. Ayan siya guys. Masarap yan guys. Ayan guys, masarap. Alokon, bulaklak ng alokon yan guys. Ayan, kamuting kahoy yan guys. Thank you.